So there are two types of entities. One is user or team and organization. When to create user or team? When we want to restrict a data, entity data to specific user or team, we will use user or team. If we want to provide access to all the data in that entity through all users, then we will create organization entities. Then we created these fields: single line text field, multiple line text field, two option set, multi select option set, date and time, currency, whole number, decimal. All these fields we have created. And we have created one entity called student, right? Under student, we have created these fields. So when I click on new, see, these are all the fields that we have created. So we have created, this is a single line text, two options, it's a lookup, it's a multi-line text, it's a lookup again, it's email, calendar, currency, city is a drop down. So here we have two types of field, one is option set and one is multi-select option set. Let's see that. Option set we have already created, then multi-select option set. What is multi-select option set? Multi-select option set is a where we can select multiple options in that option set. So the main difference between option set and multi-select option set is option set we can select only one value. So here I can select only one value, where in multi-select I can select multiple values. Let's see that. So where we have created this, we have created in our default solution. Where is the default solution? Under customization, customize the system, right? We have discussed about default solution. We have created entity called student. Then I will create a field. I will create a new field. So I will say branch preferred. So this field I will create as a multi-select option set. Here I will add options. So these are the options that I have created in the multi-select option set. Then I will click save and close. The multi-select option set field will create.
హలో
Yes.
సార్, ఇక్కడ మనకి ఆడిటింగ్ అను సెక్యూరిటీ అని టూ ఆప్షన్స్ ఉంటున్నాయి కదా సార్ జనరల్లో.
అవును,
అవి దేనికోసం సార్?
చెప్తా.
అది ఓకే సార్.
So I'm opening main form. Main form lo what we have created, branch. So I will add it here, then save. publish. Okay. Now form is published. Let's verify. I will click on new. Branch preferred. So city is option set where I can select only one value. If I'm able to select another value, the previous value will be cleared. Wherein when branch preferred, I can select more than one value. I can select all, I can select one, I can select multiple. Okay. So that is the main difference between option set and multi-select option set. Clear? Today we will see in forms what are we can add. In forms, form is categorized in four parts. One is body, two header, three footer, four navigation. Okay. So what is body, what is header, footer and navigation? Let's discuss. So when I open a form, here I will see body, header, footer, navigation. What is this? So when I open this form here, all these fields are placed in a header, sorry, body. So when I open any system entity like account or contact, you see there are some fields which are placed here, which is called header. Okay, which is header, and here is navigation. The bottom is footer. So let's add some fields in our forms. Okay, so far we have discussed how to add fields in the body. By default, the body will be highlighted. So let's say if we want to add fields on header, we have to select header. So once header is selected, only header part will be highlighted. The body part will be disabled, which means we can place only fields on a header. So here I will add course, I will add city, I will add annual fee. Okay, this is header. Now I will click on footer. In footer, I will add created on, created by. Now let's save and publish. Let's publish it again. Anyone is using this instance? ఎవరైనా యూస్ చేస్తున్నారా?
No, sir.
Cannot start request operation publish because there is another import running at this moment. Say publish. Okay, now it's published. Let's verify. I will go to student entity, click new. You see in the header, now let's create a record. Save. So we can see this fields. Let's say when I add city Hyderabad, it will be added like this. Course will be added like this. Annual fee will be added like this. Okay. So footer will be displayed over here, which is not displaying. Let's see why it is not displaying. Footer. Okay. So generally the footer will be displayed over here. ఈ ఫామ్లో ఎందుకో కనిపిస్తలేదు అది. And then we have another section that is navigation. What is navigation? Navigation ante, so when you open this record, you will see this related tab. In related tab, you will see all related entities which are in a relationship. ఆ రిలేషన్షిప్లో ఉన్న ఎంటిటీస్ అన్నీ మీకు రిలేటెడ్ సెక్షన్లో ఉంటాయి. ఆ రిలేటెడ్ సెక్షన్లో ఏమన్నా ప్లేస్ చేయాలంటే యూ హ్యావ్ టు use this navigation. So as of now, we don't have any relationship. When we create relationship, then we will use it. Okay. As of now, only body we mostly use and header. We render and then we will use navigation. Footer we don't use. Mostly body, header, and navigation. Navigation why we use? Because one entity will be related with another entity. In that case, we will use this. So I will show you that. So here the course, right? When I open this course, Java course, this course entity is related with student. When I click on related, you can see students, right? So related is a relationship section. If you want to place any entity or any component here, you have to use the navigation area. Clear? These four parts: body, header, footer, and navigation. Then we will see types of forms. What is types of forms? One, we have main form. Two, quick view form. Three, quick create form. Then four, card form. Okay. So what is main form? Main form is when we access CRM from desktop, laptops, then main form will be accessible. Now we are using our laptops to work, right? So when I open any student entity, student record, new, then I will see the main form. This is main form. Then we have card form. What is card form? When we access it from mobile, then card form will be open. Card form is, so we can access the CRM using our mobiles and tablets. In that case, this is the form that will open. Okay, let's see if I have. Okay, I'll show you this card form. Then next we have view. What view form? View form show the data from the related entity. Clear? View form will show the data from related entity. So what is mean? So for example, now I have course. Course. I'm creating two fields: start date, end date. Okay, then timings. I will get three fields over here. Okay, second time. Close. End date. Also date time. Course mode. I will select it as option set online, offline, Okay, now I will place this field on the form. Understand the requirement. I am placing these fields on the main course mode, start date, end date. Now save. And now my requirement is when I select course in the student record, when I select any course, I want to show the details of the course, when the course started, end date, more training. I want to see because course is a different entity, student is a different entity. I'm selecting course record in student entity. But instead of opening this record, I want to see the data in the same screen. This is my requirement. What you will do, we have to use the quick view form. So what I will do is publish. Now let's open the record and update this field. Okay, course code is online. Start date is 1st of October. And date is same close. Okay. Now when I select this data, I want to display these three fields. How will do? So let's navigate to course. We have quick form. Open the quick form. I want to show end date, start date, okay, then course mode. I want to show these three fields. Save and publish. Now, quick view form we have created. Now, how to enable this quick view form in the student entity? Because I want to show the course detail from student record. So I have to navigate to student entity. So which form we are working? Main form we are working. So let's open the student form, which is of type main form. Main form. Okay. Then go to insert. So here you can see quick view form. Click on quick view form. So lookup field is course, right? Related entity is this, and the quick view form name. So we can give the name as course details. We'll give the same name. This should not have any spaces. I will use this. Now this quick view form is added below to course field. Now let's go to home, click on save and publish. It's published. Okay. Once it is published, let's refresh here. Control F5. Okay, now I will select Dynamics 365 course. As soon as I select it, I can see the details, course detail. So course name, start date, end date, and course name. So quick view form, when we have to see the related entity data. So course is a related entity to student. If we have to see the related entity data which is selected in the lookup, then we will use this quick view form control. Clear? When we use quick view form, main form we are clear. When we use the CRM from our desktop or laptops, then main form will be accessible. Quick view form, when we have to use quick view form, if we have to see the data from related entity which is selected in the lookup, then we will use the quick view form. Then what is quick create form? So this is a quick create button. Okay, so here I can see account, I can see cases, categories, I see different entities. I want to allow the student entity here. Okay, so this is a quick create, plus button is a quick create. So when I click on account, a quick create of account form, account entity will be open. Same way I want to enable student entity. As of now student entity is not there. Can you see here? There is no student entity. How we have to do it? Let's see. First we have to create a form. We don't have quick create form. Click on new, quick create form. Okay, so this is a quick create form. I want to place some fields. What is the email, gender, name? Okay, here I want to place city, gender, and here I want to place annual fee, course. I want to show only this. Okay, then save, publish. Okay. Now it's published. Now we have created quick create. So then let's see here. I have created quick create form. I refresh the CRM. Let's see if the entity is now enabled here. When I click on plus symbol, can I see the student entity? No, right? So what we have to do, we have to enable entity permissions. So when we click on student entity, so here we will get the entity configurations. So here we will see allow quick create. As of now it is disabled, we have to enable this allow quick create. So once we enable it, save, and then publish. It's still publishing. Let's wait for publish. It's taking long time to publish. Refresh. Okay, let's refresh it here. Control F5. You can see the student. When I click student now, the fields that I placed is now displaying. Okay, clear. And then what is another form that we have? Quick create form. First, we have to create a quick create form, then enable entity permissions, entity configurations. Then what is card form? Card form is when we access CRM from mobiles or tablets, then card form will be accessible. So now let's check this. Entities, student, forms, card form. Okay. Now this is the card form. So let me quickly verify. Give me a second. Now I am downloading this Power Apps. You can see my screen. I'm downloading this Power Apps from Microsoft Store. So let's access the our CRM from this. Okay. So let's see whether card form will accessible or not. Else you can download Dynamics 365 app for your mobiles, and then you can. Okay. So we are using Dynamics 365 Custom. So Dynamics 365 Custom. The tab is not available in the form. Sorry, in the Power Apps. Okay, do one thing. So